It's Sunday, and that means that it's time for a Sunday ClinCheck Short. I am your host, Dr. David Galler, 60 seconds to a better ClinCheck. Very clear about this, real simple. Do not scan in optimized attachments. Scanning in an optimized attachment is a waste of time. This has almost zero effectivity. It is not optimized. There's no push here. There's no ability for the scanner to recognize an optimized attachment. It's a cusp of carabelli. It's a chip. It's a piece of anatomy. It doesn't serve any purpose. Whenever you are in the additional aligner phase, always remove all the aligners and rescan, replace the additional aligners. Why go into the next round less than perfect? Word to the wise, remove all attachments. And 100% you have to move the optimized attachments like this one. Scanning optimized attachments makes no sense at all. Take the minute, remove, replace. This has been Sunday ClinCheck Shorts, 60 seconds to a better ClinCheck.